Hi friends, it's Katie and welcome to your beauty tip of the day. Well, this one's a little bit of a cheap one because it's actually a hair tip. But I wanted to share something that I've been doing for a while that has really helped. It hasn't actually helped my hair to grow, but it's actually helped me feel more confident in my ponytail. So, and I mean that in the sense of, you know when you're growing your hair and you can first fit it in a ponytail and you're like, oh cool, great, because it's perfect for those lazy days, isn't it? When you just want to put a little ponytail in, but your ponytail maybe looks a little bit too squat, a little bit too small. I've been growing my hair for a bit now, so my ponytail is getting slightly more bigger, but believe me, about 5 months ago, it was like that. So what I did was I'd get a scarf, any scarf, or you could even, if you don't have a scarf, use cut up some material. And then I would fold the scarf. So firstly I fold it in half like that. Then I fold this triangle bit in here, and then I simply keep folding like that and like that. So the scarf is made into a nice elongated kind of piece of fabric. Like I say, you can use a piece of fabric, it doesn't have to be a scarf. Then I put it over my ponytail and I simply do a double knot. If you don't want such a sleek look, then kind of pull little bits up from your crown. Give your look a slightly more dishevelled, easy, breezy vibe. Have fun. It's really lovely to play around with different scarves to get different looks. Play around with your lipstick too to match with colours from the scarf perhaps. And enjoy. I hope this inspires you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in another video. Bye.